Super insane, guys, and I can't even believe it actually works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. Hey guys, are you ready to experience a new world where you can download the Play Store on iOS? Well, in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download the Google Play Store on your iPhone. You do not need a computer for this method. We are not going to be involving ourselves with the jailbreak scene. So as you can see, guys, this is the fully working Google Play Store, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it right now. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. It's super insane, guys, and it actually works. So let's get right into the video. Alright, my party people, so as you can see, guys, right here I have the Google Play Store. So I'm just going to show you guys. You can see it actually works. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super insane. So what you need to do, guys, is go ahead and go over to Google. And once we're there, guys, we're going to go to the search bar, and we're literally just going to go ahead and type in ZooMods. Alright, so let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to type in ZooMods. So once it comes up, guys, you want to go ahead and go over to the site, and then we're going to go to the search bar, and we're just going to go ahead and type in Play Store. I'm not a speller, so it's not going to come up unless I type it exactly, but as you can see, there it is, Google Play Store Mods. So just press on that, guys. It's going to download. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself and get the word out, because if we go over to the App Store, as you guys can see, there is no Google Play Store, unfortunately, so you are screwed, bro. As you can see, when we type in Play Store, you can see nothing comes up, unfortunately. There's no Google Play Store. So yeah, you gotta try this method out. It actually works, guys. All you gotta do is go to the search bar and type in ZooMods, and then go to the site, and then once we're there, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Play Store, and it should come right up. So be sure to go ahead and try it out and get the word out. This is totally working, guys. It's super crazy. So if you have any problems, drop it down below in the comments. I'll be sure to get back to you guys, help you fix your issues. But this is super insane, guys, and it actually works. So yeah, pretty crazy stuff. I really like it, and I don't have to jailbreak or anything like that, so that's awesome. So yeah, guys, pretty crazy. If this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. So I hope you enjoyed it. This is totally cool. And all you gotta do, guys, is go to ZooMods, and then you can download it, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, get the word out. I mean, this is insane, bro. So yeah, I don't know who's out there with this like scene when they're not doing it correctly, but this is updated, and it's gonna work for you if you follow the steps. So I'm gonna see you later, and peace out.